In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Framer. We'll walk through a simple method you can use anytime you want to draw extra attention to a word, a sentence, or even a whole paragraph in your design. You don't need any code for this, and it only takes a few clicks once you know where everything is. First, open your Framer project and head into the editor. On your canvas, find the piece of text you want to highlight. This could be a heading, a call to action, or body copy. Once you've selected that text layer on the canvas, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, choose Add Frame. What this does is wrap your text inside a new frame, which will act as the background highlight. Instead of trying to color the text itself, we're going to color the frame behind it, which gives you a clean, flexible highlight effect. Next, you want to make sure you're actually working with the frame, not the text inside it. Look over to the left-hand panel and make sure you're on the Layers tab. You should see a structure where the frame is on top and the text sits directly under it, nested inside. Click on the frame layer so it's the one that's selected. If the text is selected instead, just click the frame name above it. Once the frame is selected, move your attention to the right side of the screen to the Properties panel. Scroll or look for the section labeled Styles. Under Styles, you'll see an option called Fill. This controls the background color of the frame. On the right side of the Fill option, there's a color field. Click that color field to open the color picker. Now you can choose any color you want for your highlight. You might stick with a classic light yellow, or pick a brand color that matches the rest of your design. You can also adjust opacity here if you want a softer, more transparent highlight instead of a solid block of color. As soon as you pick a color, you'll see the frame behind your text fill in with that color, creating a highlight effect. If the highlight looks too tight or too loose around your text, you can adjust the frame's padding so the highlight has a bit of breathing room. And that's it. Your text is now highlighted in Framer using a simple frame and fill color.